Hello everyone, greeting from the Costa del Sol. This is Santiago Llera, and in this video I'm going to show you the beauty of the three Esteponas. We are going to see the very best of this location to understand it. We are going to visit the Estepona East, the new Golden Mile. We are going to see the Estepona city, how have grown, how it changed in the last years, what is Estepona today. And the last part of the video, we are going to talk about La Gaspara and all the west side of the Estepona city to really understand this location, and we will see it straight away. We are walking right now in the Estepona city. This place suffered a complete transformation in the last 10 years. This used to be just a regular Spanish village, fisherman's village, very close to the coast with a lot of traditional style, especially in the old town near Plaza de las Flores. You can find one of these colorful traditional Spanish streets, and this place nowadays is very modern. The new Estepona Town Hall did a big step into the future by building modern style. We have a brand new promenade with this beautiful colorful boulevard, and at the same time we have in the future a big extension of what is going to be the new Estepona Marina. So Estepona look a lot into the future, respecting very well the past. At the same time, we have as well a brand new neighborhood in the Las Mesas area where you have a lot of options for new developments, and as well as very interesting resale properties close to the beach. And something I really like about the Estepona city is the fact that we have what I consider is one of the most attractive. It's an urban life in a very affordable way, and at the same time we are in a not that big urban place. We have a population around 80,000 people living here, and we have a good size. So you have pretty much everything which is needed in a big city, and at the same time not that crowded or higher densities like bigger urban areas. The second Estepona is the new Golden Mile. It is the eastern part between Marbella and Estepona city, and this area was developed more or less between the 90s and the early 2000s. We have beautiful properties, we have very close to the sea, and what I see is like this area is inspired by the Golden Mile of Marbella. Beautiful beach, great properties, and mainly the new part of the Golden Mile, which is Selvo area in that location, and the Cancelada region, mainly developed by Metrobacesa and some other developers like Google Homes here in the Haiku plot where we are standing right now. I consider that this whole location, which is brand new and being developed by one of the top developers of Spain, is actually going in a very good direction, mainly focused into the luxury modern style. So I truly believe that the new Golden Mile will follow and improve what was the Golden Mile back in the days. We are standing now in the third Estepona. This is the western part of the city. The previous location we saw in the eastern part was mainly developed in the 90s and early 2000s, and it's closer to the Marbella side. But this location is much newer. 5 years ago, there was nothing here in this part, which is closer to the city. It's called La Gaspara, and 5 years there was nothing here. When everything is started to come together, the streets are cleaner, they're seeing a lot of projects we are almost completed. And what I feel if very interested in this location is like almost every big Spanish developer have a project in this western part of Estepona. Behind me, I have a development called Sunset Bay from the developer Culmia. We have Ercesa building Idyllic. We have 180 by Avante Espacia, and one of the biggest Spanish developers as well, Neynor and Celere, have sea views over here, also finished and ready. The next projects are coming more on the Manilva side, more closer to the Casares and Manilva area, but those locations are still less than 5 minutes drive to Estepona city. So we see clearly that there is a progress of construction into the western side, and here are the most of the good opportunities for investors mainly. If you're interested in buying a new development or a brand new modern apartment, this is exactly the place for you. From my opinion, much more offer beautiful neighborhoods built from scratch and according to the modern standards of construction. If you would like to know more about the Estepona area, Estepona City, New Golden Mile, La Gaspara, or the whole Estepona West, feel free to contact me. I'm a local real estate agent living and working on the Costa del Sol. I will be happy to make an online meeting to answer all your questions and show you some properties for sale. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just click in that button and see you in the next video. Okay, bye then.